I tried to film an intro. It really sucked. So basically, I found these lab coats and I chose the button one with a cool collar. That's, yeah, important. And I'm gonna do some cool shit with them. Enjoy.
Okay. So I've thought about it. And I'm going with the buttoned one instead of the snap one because I want to take off the buttons eventually and change them for something, and I couldn't do that with the snaps. And I've decided I do want to do embroidery, but I also found a bunch of these beads and they're like golden brown. I'll show you a close-up later. So I've got like golden brown beads and I'm going with green embroidery. So I still don't know exactly what I'm doing, but I think it's gonna look pretty sick. So this has a better collar and I'm gonna focus mainly on the collar at first and just kind of like do that, and then I think it'll like basically set the tone for the rest of the jacket. I really liked how it's really hard to see, the collar kind of has this little cut out shape, and I think that would be cool to hang some beads from. So yeah, I think I'm gonna just like start on the collar. Let's get at it. Oh yeah.
Okay, so beading is a long and strenuous process, so I kind of didn't film like any of it, except this part. So you're just gonna have to imagine that tedious, long act for all of the other parts that I'm about to show you. Good luck.
Front collar. Front collar stayed the same. It's got this like really cool, cute beading around the front. I'm still gonna probably get rid of this shit because I don't like it. But I really love like this cute little, this cute little work up here with this bad boy, and then the collar with these little loop-de-loos. Okay, but what you didn't really see is I've been like, I know this looks trashy right now, but I'm gonna add a bunch more of these like brown lines going down this one sleeve. I'll show you a picture of like what inspired it. I found it on Pinterest, and it's gonna keep going. Well, I think it might just stop there on this side, but it goes down all the way at the back. So we've got these like trail, and then at the end it like, hold up, it like dangles because it's cool. Yeah, so that's basically all I did. I'm gonna add more of these brown boys, like lines probably, and then maybe I'll start embroidering stuff. Still don't know about that. Anyway, you'll know when I know, so that's good. I'm still not sure on the embroidery. I might like doodle stuff up at the back and see if I like it. If I'm doing embroidery, I want to go like kind of minimalistic because the beads are a lot. It's looking really grandma, but I kind of like grandma, so you know, whatever. Hey, so it's the next day. So instead of embroidering these bad boys, oh yeah, there's skulls by the way. I just thought they looked cute. I'm just gonna paint them on. I think gold paint will do, and then I'm probably gonna bead them afterwards, or just like add a couple beads to like tie it in. Maybe throw in a bit of embroidery, who knows? Okay, let's start this shit. Ooh, ooh. Okay, here's the thesis. We're almost done. Woo woo. So the back has turned out fucking awesome. We've got like more strings going down on this bad boy. I'll show you close-ups later. I spend fucking hours lining all of these beads. I switched the buttons from the outside to the inside because I kind of fucked up on the beading. I beaded the wrong side without thinking about it. So I now put the buttons on the inside so the beads are still on the outside layer. And these little fancy thingamabobs, you know, just cause they're cute. Yeah. I put the second earring on this bad boy. So he's looking pretty gnarly. Yeah, that's about it. If I think of anything else, or I do anything else to it, you'll be the first to know. I'm fucking done.